We use K518 Pro to program 2019 milligrams EZS. We got the keys here. This is original car key. Another one is a new key. We are going to program this new key. Before that, the third program key for this model doesn't have smart function. We can only program the keys with smart function, but the third key won't. That's the reason why we need to clear all the keys in the car now. Then, proceed to program, operating by our perspective. Select IMO and remote. Select MG. Select PEPs. Select EZS. Remember to delete key first. Select delete key. Confirm. Put in a key. OK, key placed. OK. Enter the password we previously saved. Confirm. Deleting keys. Completed. Confirm. At this time, we select Add Key function. Confirm. The password entered. OK. The key is at the same position. Continue to program key. Program completed. OK. The count of key is 1. Whether to proceed, take out this programmed new key. Put into the original key. Confirm. OK. The second key is programmed successfully. Confirm. The count of key is 2. Whether to program next key, cancel. Please wait until the programming finish. Otherwise, the remote of the key won't work. The dashboard lights up automatically. Program completed. If the keyless function doesn't work, please turn off the power at least 2 minutes. Confirm. Program completed. Exit. Close the door. Let's test the remote function. Original key. You can check the dashboard or listen the sound. Lock. Unlock. Lock and unlock. The remote function of both key works properly. Take out the original car key. Leave the new key inside. Try the keyless function. Put the new key here. Step on the brake, turn on the ignition button. OK. Smart function of the key works, same as remote. This car doesn't has keyless entry. Using K518 Pro to program 2019 milligrams smart key has completed.